we have an inbuilt messenger in the platform in WiredWhite. So once you would like to communicate with someone on the platform, with another partner, another member, or a customer, you just type in a message here and basically maintain the communication or start a new communication. And so basically you can type, "Hi, are you available for a quick call?" And you can see that on the right hand side I have a messenger opened for another user, so I see the message has arrived. And what is really useful is that we have also built in a video conferencing tool as well, so we can just straight up jump into a video call. So I would like to reply, "Yes, let's have a call now," and I basically can initiate the call on each side. So I'm gonna have so I'm gonna go and start the meeting now. So I'm in a call now, and you can see now that I'm getting the notification in another browser that someone is calling me, so I can join that call. And basically we jump into the call now. I'm just gonna allow my browser to access to the mic, and I'm in the call now. So as you can see, we are now video conference, and we can have a screen share. So it's even more convenient, even more useful to share the screen. So basically you see what other person is showing. So we have now activated the screen share, and you can see basically we can discuss any subject, any technical issue or the project itself in a video call while sharing the screen.